Hello, children. I hope you are doing well. So, here I am with another sample paper. Actually, I got it as a past year's paper. We will see it here and we will solve with all the grammars and translation and everything. You can see the question paper has different sections A, B, C, D, and in each section you have been given some choices and accordingly you have to solve your questions. Section A is having 10 marks. You have to read the following passage carefully and answer the questions only in Arabic. Okay, so you have to answer your questions only in Arabic. Remember that. Question number 1 is extract any one fi'l mudara jama mudhakkar ghayab from the passage above. Jama mudhakkar ghayab. So here I have highlighted, you can see yasna'una. This is fi'l mudhakkar and also jama ghayab. Because fi'l mudhakkar jama ghayab will be with waw noon. Yasna'un, yaktubun, yadhhabun, etc. I hope it is clear. Question B is write in Arabic the synonym of any one of the following. Yasna. Yasna means creation, creating. So I have taken yantaj. Yantaj means also creating. Samin. Samin means a little bit fat, or you can say a little bit heavier. So the alternative will be badin. You can remember with badan. Badan is the body. So who is a little bit fuller in his bodily appearance? So he will be called as samin. Question number C. Aina yambutu shajarul ambuj. Where? Aina means where. Where does the mango tree grow? Where does the mango tree grow? We will see from the passage. Here you can see al-ambuju fakihatun lazizatun wa shajarun kabir nabata fil Hind. You can write your answer from here. It grows in India. Another thing you should remember that you follow your questions numbers as they are in your question paper. So this is your C. So you write C, okay? بأي شيء تقطعون الأنبج. From which thing? بأي شيء. From which thing you are cutting the mango? We will see here in the paragraph again. نقطعه بالسكين. We cut it with the knife. So this is answer number D. Here also instead of 1, you follow the question paper's pattern. This is C, this is D. Now we will see question E is اكتب عنوانا مناسبا لهذه الفقرة. Write a suitable title for this passage. So you can take from the passage also. You can take this one. Al-ambuj fakihatun laziza. Mango is a tasty fruit. This will be your E. C, D, E. All done. B I have told you before and A also I have told you before. Or you have a choice between how many passages? Between the two passages you have. So you have a choice between these two passages. If you find this one easier, you can do this one. No problem in that. وصل المدرسون إلى المدرسة في الساعة الثامنة. Okay, here is a paragraph. The first question A is متى وصل المدرسون إلى المدرسة? When does the teachers go to school? So the answer will be وصل المدرسون إلى المدرسة في الساعة الثامنة. The teachers reach to the school at 8 o'clock. So this will be your A answer. ماذا كان يعمل التلاميذ حين وصل المدرسون? Question number B is ماذا كان يعمل التلاميذ حين وصل المدرسون? What the students were doing, what were the students doing when the teachers reached? So B answer will be here. كان التلاميذ آنذاك يلعبون كرة القدم في الملعب. The students were playing the football. Then question number C. ماذا فعل التلاميذ عندما رأوا المدرسين? What did the students do when they saw the teachers? This will be answer C. فلما رأوا المدرسين, when they saw the teachers, هربوا إلى فصولهم, they ran to their classes. So how can you catch your answers? With the clue words. For example, in your question, رأوا, this word is there, or رأى might be there. So you can catch with the same verb. Okay? Or for example, wasala. Wasala is the keyword for you to get your answer in question A. But in B question, there is no clue word. That is a simple thing. Maza kana ya'malu. What were they doing? Okay, but you can understand from the situation, scenario and little bit translation. That's why it is good for you to see the translation videos so you can enhance your vocabulary. Okay. Alright, now we can see question number D. لماذا ذهب أحمد إلى مكتب البريد? Why did Ahmed go to post office? Why did he go? So you can write from here nada. No need to write fa. Okay? Because fa is like a helping word. No need to start your answer with fa. Just start with nada. Nada ahadul mudarrisina bi Ahmed. One of the teachers called Ahmed. وطلب منه أن يذهب إلى مكتب البريد and asked him to go to the post office. ويشتري له مزاريف وتوابع البريد and he can buy the stamps from the post office. This will be answer D. Okay. Then E. اكتب عنوانا مناسبا لهذه الفقرة. Write a suitable title for this passage. So I have written here التلاميذ, the students, اللاعبون, who were playing, playful students. If you want to write anything else, this is up to you. You can take this one also, simple one. التلاميذ. Skip this thing, skip this thing. التلاميذ يلعبون كرة القدم. Just a basic sentence you can take from the paragraph. But it is better if you write the title separately by yourself. Now, writing skills, section B. Here you have to write, question number 2 is here. You have to write from these 3 choices. You can take any one topic and you have to write in Arabic. Okay. So for example, if you are opting Sadiqi or Walid, so in both the cases, both are muzakkar, you can use easily huwa whenever you are forming the sentences. Remember that. But if you are opting maktaba, then everything you have to take with ta marbuta and also with hiya pronoun. Okay, this will be the basic difference. For muzakkar, huwa will be used. For muannath, hiya will be used. For muzakkar, hada will be used. I have talked about it in Asma Ishara video. And for muannath, hazihi will be used. Okay, so these are the basic differences you can remember. For example, if you are talking about Sadiqi, so you can form few sentences. Hada Sadiqi Nabil, Huwa Waladun Zaki, he is an intelligent boy. Or Huwa Waladum Mujtahidun, he is a hardworking boy. Like with the adjectives you can form your sentences more and more, and you can increase the words in your writing paragraph. Okay, huwa waladun mujtahid, huwa waladun zaki, huwa يذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. He goes to the school every day. If you are writing about Walid, then you can say Walidi mushfiqun. My Walid, my father is lenient. And huwa rajulun sakhi wa naqi wa zaki wa mujtahidun. Okay, he is a fine person, neat person, intelligent person. As many as adjectives if you are using, you will increase the numbers, you will increase the wordings in your paragraph. This is a tip for you. Okay. Write a letter in Arabic to your father requesting him to send money for purchasing the books. So whenever you are writing a letter, for example, if you are writing to your father, so you will write whenever you are writing the letter, first you will start with Azizi, my dear. But if you are writing to any female, so it will become Azizati. Ta will be added. Okay. But for the Muzakkar, you will start as Azizi, Al Walid, Al Muhtaram, Arju. Okay. Like that, you will form your sentences. Okay, a few vocabulary words you can see, and you can prepare. Inshallah, in the ending of this paper, I will give you some other keywords for this question. I wanted to finish, so I will see what are the other options, easier ones. We will do that first. Fill in the blanks in any two of the following sentences. You have to opt any two of the following sentences. Fill haqibati. What we will write over here? For kutub, we have to write khamsa. Why? Because 3 to 10, we have to take always opposite of the ma'dood. So ma'dood is muzakkar, definitely. So we have to take it muannas. Hamidun wa Khalidun. Hamid and Khalid. We are talking about two boys. So we have to write musanna. Musanna is for two. You can say ghaibani fil fasl. Hamid and Khalid both are absent in the class. Al-Jaib qalamun jadid. So what could be here? Fil Jaib. In the pocket. Qalamun jadid. There is a new pen. Fil maktabati. Banat. Banat is the girl, for the girl. So we will take the other opposite. For example, we can take arba'a. We will take opposite because banat is muannas, so we will take adad as muzakkar, because in adad madud 3 to 9 it will remain opposite. I hope it is clear. You have to make a correction in any two of the following sentences. Sentence number 1 is Hal indaka mi'ata rubiyat. So always remember mi'a means 100. So with mi'a it should be rubiya. Okay? It shouldn't be plural. It shouldn't be this way. It should be this way. Rubiya. Okay? Hunaka khamsu jawami' fi qaryatina. So here it should be khamsatu. Okay? Because jawami' is a plural of jami'. Right? So it should be opposite. Khamsatu. In the correction, there should be ta, marbuta. Because the numbers, the adad between 3 and 9, it should be opposite from the madud. Jalasat tullabu fi amakinihinna. It should be amakinihim. Okay? Because it is talking about the muzakkar. It is talking about the male. Ar-rijalu jalisat. No, jalisat is wrong. It should be ar-rijalu jalisuna, because we are talking about muzakkar and jama, so it will be depicted with waw noon. And it is in halat al-rafa, so it should be jalisun. Fil karasi. Fil karasi will remain as it is. I hope it is clear. Then, fifth one, make two sentences in dual form. Dual form musanna. You can write, I have given you very simple one, the simplest one, al waladan zahiban ilal madrasa. Both the boys are going to the madrasa. You can say ilal masjid, ilal maktaba, anything. Al bintan, I have given the muannas of the same sentence. Zahibatan are going. Two girls are going ilal madrasa to the school. So it will become jumla mufida because we have made as mubtada and khabar. Al waladan mubtada and zahiban ilal madrasa will be khabar. Al bintan mubtada, zahibatan ilal madrasa will be khabar. Question number 6 is define and illustrate Jawazimul Fi'l using in sentences. So first you have to define what is Jawazimul Fi'l. So you remember Jawazim word comes from Jazm. These are the special wordings which give Jazm or Sukoon or Sakin to Fi'l Mudara. I will show you with the examples. For example, you have to say Lam Yaktub. Okay, usually it happens as yaktubu, usually. But when we are inserting lam, it will become lam yaktub. So this harkat is called jazm. And whenever these type of special wordings are inserted on fi'al mudara, they will give jazm, okay, and also they will give some special meanings, sometimes in the negative meanings, sometimes it will be used in ordering format. Okay, with the examples you can understand. So in your definition you can write jawazimul af'al or jawazimul fi'l are the special wordings. If they are inserted on fi'l mudara, they will give jazm to fi'l mudara. Okay, for example, lam yaktub, you will write these examples as well. Al waladu ad-darsa, the boy has not written the chapter. Or you can write the next example, la tahzan. Usually it is tahzunu, but when you say la tahzan, so it will become with jazm, and you have to show jazm also in your example. Okay, so the definition and these few examples you can give. After that, question number 7, you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable number. This is about other than madud. Okay, so we will see mudakkar muannas properly. Fil baiti rajulani isnani. We will take same, the compatible one, because in 1 and 2 they will be compatible. Mudakkar for mudakkar, muannas for muannas, 1 for 1 and 2 for 2. Okay. Ja'at talibatan ithnatan. See, you can see the same formula in 1 and 2. Muzakkar for muzakkar, muannas for muannas, like I have told you. Kharaja tis'atu. I have taken tis'atu. Why? Because I have to see the ma'dud, muallimin. The ma'dud is muzakkar, so I have to take adad, totally opposite, because this is for 3 to 9 and 3 to 9 will be the opposite from the ma'dud. Okay, so I will take tis'atu. Qara'a tullab. Tullab is the muzakkar, so I will take again muannas for him, sittatu, because this is again between 3 to 9. Tisa is 9, sitta is 6. So from the numbers you can understand where you have to use the opposite and where you have to use the compatible ones. Fil usbu'i sab'ata ayyamin. So sab'ata, we have taken the opposite of this muzakkar. Why? Because this is the same 3 to 9 formula will be applied over here. Okay, now translate any 5 sentences. Kam kitaban indaka? How many books you have? So shall I write the meanings here? Will become easier for you to refer next time, inshallah. How many books do you have? Answer number 2. Antum tadrusuna fi madrasati saniviya. You are studying in a secondary school. 3. Hamid talibun fil kulliya. Hamid is a student in the college. Kulliya is college. Number 4. Madha fi haqibatika. What is in your bag? What is in your bag? Fil maktabati salasatu alafin kitabin. In the library, there are salasa 3,000 3,000 kitab books. Baituka qaribum min madrasatika. Your house is near from your school. Min madrasatika. Ka is there, so in the meaning you will remember your. Your house is near from your school. Okay, in English we can write only near. That's fine. Number 7. Abwabu suqi mughlaqa. No need to write the doors of the market. Doors of the market mughlaqa are closed. Mughlaqa means closed. Then number 8. Ahada kitabuka. Is this your book? Kitabu, book, ka, your. Is this your book? So you can see the translations over here. I hope it is clear. And when you are writing English translation, please follow proper English grammar rules. Okay? Inshallah. Translate any 5 sentences in Arabic. You have to translate any 5 sentences in Arabic. So you can take this one. I love my mother. This is easy. We can write Ana uhibbu ummi. I love my mother. Do you have a new pen? Hal. Sorry, here. Hal indaka القلم الجديد. هل عندك القلم الجديد? What is your friend's name? ما اسم صديقك? ما اسم صديقك? Yes, my school has a big library. نعم في مدرستي مكتبة. مكتبة is a library. كبيرة. Please remember, when you are using maktaba with ta marbuta, the sifat, the adjective should be with ta marbuta. Is she going to the school? So, hal for the question mark pattern. تذهب. تذهب is for muannath غائب. هل تذهب إلى المدرسة? Is she going to the school? Then the school is off today. Al-madrasa mu'attala. Mu'attala means has off. Today al-yawm. Al-madrasa mu'attala al-yawm. My school is new and big. Number 7. Madrasati jadida. we will take jadida with ta marbuta because madrasati is muannas. Madrasa is muannas. Jadida and big wa kabira. Number 8. Please do not sit on this desk. La tajlisu. La tajlisu fi hadha al-maktab. Maktab means desk. Okay, this is your 8th point.